Alright. We got a horn here. So with one hand, we turn. The other hand, we hold the horn. And we get this fastener off. There's the horn. Look at it. Oh, it's glory. So, we just have to take this horn off. There's a couple fasteners to get this off. And we're just going to have to struggle with the camera and struggle with trying to hold the camera while we loosen this. And I'll be right back at you. Okay, we've removed that fastener, and now we just gotta get this electrical part off here. And we gotta come on now. And there's a little metal piece in there. Plastic's gotta come off the metal. So we're gonna push that down. Oh, and then we need two hands again, so I'm gonna try to straddle the tripod. There we go. Alright. MattHumanPizza style right there. That's a horn. Toot. Toot your horn. Toot toot. Toot toot your horn. Toot toot poot poot toot toot. Alright. Fuck. Alright, let's get the other horn. There it is. It's got a couple fasteners holding it on. I think we just need to get one fastener off of it. Get this effing horn off here. There it is. We're in place. Yes, it loosened. It's very cold out here. Let me show you how cold it is. This is how cold it is. See? That's how cold. Need to brush my teeth. Anyway, so get this off here. Get this other horn off here. You don't have to use two hands to do this one. It's very fun. Very, very fun. Spectacular horn. And when you press the horn, it's connected to this part right here. This is where the horn, the noise comes from. And got a little bit farther to go. Have this horn off. And we can just look at it and bathe in the glory of horn part. I don't know. There we go. Get this electrical connection off here. Hold this tripod again. Somehow, some way. Oh, yeah, come on. Press down and pull. Press down on this. Come on. And pull. There we go. Two horns. Two horns have been successfully taken off and will be sold on eBay. Nice horns. Very nice horns. Anyway, just kidding. But, well, they are nice horns, but I probably won't sell them. But, anyway, so there it is. Give tribute to the socket wrench, and that's it. Another MattHumanPizza video. Oh, hold on. Video. Thank you. Okay, let's take this hood latch off, shall we? Looks like another 10mm, isn't it? It's all 10mm here. Oh no, it might be 11mm. Yep, that's 11. That's 10. No, that looks like 10. Doesn't it look like 10? No, it wouldn't get a hold of it because I still had a bolt in it. There we go. That's 10mm. We're just gonna take this off here. Okay. I'm gonna take the mount off to this hood latch. So this is the second. One bolt was in there, and the second bolt's right here. I'm gonna get that bolt off. There we go, and it's off, and it's down the ground. Get a little magnet to pick that up. Oh shoot, there's still a bolt right down yonder, right there. And then they got this cool part right here. Back and forth, back and forth. Look at this car. Where'd the hood go? Well, it's right here. Right behind, right in front of a sacred Mercury Mystique engine. Okay, I want to get this, take a bunch of these bolts off, and I'll be right back at you. Okay, here we are. We got the bolts removed, and you gotta pick it up just like so. And there you go. Now you have this mount. If you want to take the rest of this mount off, still get that bolt off down there. And if you want to remove this cable, all you have to do is figure out how. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? How that comes out. You just have to figure that out. Because I am not going to try to figure it out because I don't want to, because I don't need that part. So, this has been another MattHumanPizza video. Have a great day. Just kidding. There's a metal part right here that you pull out. Gotta pull this metal part out. Once you get it pulled out, once you get that pulled out, then this part should be able to go right through that crack, that hole. You know what I'm saying, motherfucker? Pull that through just like so. And then you have this ball to contend with up in here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See that little ball right there? It's got to go through this hole right here. There it is. It has been done. It has been done. There is the hood latch mechanism. It has been done. It has been taken off. And this car, this Mazda 626, is almost completed. Look at that. We got an airbag coming out of an airbag. The airbag inside coming out of the airbag. Got the engine. Got the Mazda 626, and here's this cool hood latch. Take that off, swap it, put it back in the way you took it out, and then just reversal of removal, you know, installations, reversal, removal. And here you go, you got some horns, you got some glass. You can use that for a future vehicle, or this can be a spare parts vehicle. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do is just whatever you want to do. Shut up. Have a great day.